Good morning, children. In the previous class, we have known that combustion takes place only in the presence of air. We knew that some materials catch fire as soon as they are brought near a flame, but some materials take a long time to start burning, though they are kept near the flame. In today's class, we know the reason for the difference in burning among combustible materials. Burning a paper with candle. What happens? Paper burns immediately and turns into ash. Burning a paper with sun rays. On a sunny day, go out and focus the sun rays on a piece of paper using magnifying glass. Touch the spot after some time. How do you feel? We feel hot. You must have heard about people in ancient times rubbing pieces of stones together to produce sparks. Have you tried it? Rub two stones hard together and touch them. What do you feel? We feel hot. When we focus the sun rays on a piece of paper using a magnifying glass, after some time, paper burns. Burning of a matchstick. Does a matchstick burn itself? No. When we rub the matchstick on the side of the matchbox to burn it, we can burn a paper easily with a matchstick. Can you burn a piece of wood by bringing it close to a lighted matchstick? No, we can't burn a piece of wood with the help of matchstick. Observe here. Paper burns immediately. Now let us try to burn a piece of wood. We can't burn a piece of wood with the help of matchstick. Why do we use paper or kerosene to start fire in wood or coal? Because paper and kerosene burns immediately. On the basis of above observations and previous experiences, we can conclude that a combustible substance has to be initially heated to catch a fire. What is the conclusion? We can conclude that a combustible substance has to be initially heated to catch fire. The substance catches fire at a certain temperature. The substances catches fire at a certain temperature. Next, ignition temperature. A combustible substance has to be initially heated to catch fire or burn. The lowest temperature at which a substance catches fire is called its ignition temperature. What is ignition temperature? The lowest temperature at which a substance catches fire is called its ignition temperature. When a substance starts burning, heat is produced and it helps to burn the substance continuously. When a substance starts burning, heat is produced and it helps to burn the substance continuously. The ignition temperature is different for different substances. The ignition temperature of a substance decides quickness of catching fire. In the earlier activities, we have seen that petrol, spirit, LPG burns very soon. Paper, cotton, dry grass catches fire quickly. Wood, coal burns slowly. Now tell me, what are the substances having low ignition temperature? Petrol, spirit, LPG, etc. What are the substances having high ignition temperature? Coal, wood are examples for the substances having high ignition temperature. The substance which have very low ignition temperature burn immediately, and the substances which have high ignition temperature burn slowly. Do you know inflammable substances? The substances which can easily catch fire. Examples: LPG, petrol, alcohol. These substances catch fire easily. The substances which have very low ignition temperature and easily catch fire are called inflammable substances. Can you make a list of some more inflammable substances? Activity to understand ignition temperature. Materials required: 2 small paper cups, 2 tripod stands, water, 2 candles and matchbox. Arrangement of apparatus are as shown in. Children, now let us do this activity. Take 2 candles and light them. Take 2 paper cups. One is empty, which is marked as 1. Pour some water in the second cup. Heat the 2 cups with the help of tongs or scissors on the candle flames. Children, observe carefully. We are heating the 2 paper cups simultaneously on the candle flames. Observe what happens. The first cup burns. Why does not the second cup burn? Why doesn't the second cup burn? Is it burns or not? When does the second cup burn? Does the water in the cup become hot? Let us know. On the basis of ignition temperature, when heat is supplied to both the cups, the empty cup burns quickly because it reaches to ignition temperature very soon. Whereas the heat received by second cup is transferred to water in it. The water in this cup prevents paper to reach its ignition temperature and hence it does not burn. Water in second cup will be evaporated, then the second cup will burn. The water in the cup became hot. When does the second cup start burning? When total water got evaporated, then the second cup will burn. Thank you, children.